Open the piano and let's play Someone You Love by Capaldi. Now for the introduction, we have the iconic melody. So let's start with our left hand. Left hand, total of 4 notes. We have a C. We're going to play with our thumb. And then we're going to move down to finger 4, G. Move 1 step up, finger 3, A. Move to finger 5 on F note. So each note we are going to hold 4 counts like this. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to bake a cake together with me. So the first thing that we're going to add is our egg. How to spell egg? E-G-G. Okay, but we're going to add the 1/3 of the egg. So it's just a E and G. So we're going to move to high C. Now this is our middle C. And we're going to start all the way 1 octave higher, 2 steps up to high E. Okay, we're going to put our finger 5. And then our thumb, we're going to rest it on G. Okay, which is a 6 away. So we are going to go 4 sets of E, G. So E, G, E, G, E, G, E, G. But we're going to do it slightly faster as per the melody. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, G alternate. And then we are going to add the berries that are very delicious into our cake. So our berries, B and D. D for delicious. We're going to do B and D, 4 sets as well. B, D, B, D, B, D, B, D. Okay, and then we're going to move up the cake and add the remaining egg. So the cake and add the remaining egg. So high C and E. We're going to do 4 sets as well. C, E, C, E, C, E, C, E. 4 sets. Now for the last part is a little bit different. We're going to on the aircon. Weather is really hot recently. We're going to on the aircon, the air and the con. But we're going to have 3 sets of aircon, 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 aircon. And then for the last set, we're going to have a good con. Okay, so the last set is AC, 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 GC. Okay, so once we combine our hands together, our left hand is going to hold. So the first bar, we're going to have add an egg together with our thumb on C. So a egg goes with a C together. 5, 6, 7, go. And then our berries are delicious, and together with our finger 4 on G. G together with berries. The berries are good and delicious. So we're gonna go B, D, B, D, B, D, B, D. Then we're gonna move our right hand up to the cake that with an egg. And then we're going to activate our finger 3 on A. And then the A will go together with the cake. So we're going to put it together. And lastly, we're going to move down. We're going to on the aircon and together with our F last finger, finger 5. So we're going to go aircon, 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 good con. Okay, remember to go to good con. Okay, let's put it together. Ready. 1, 2, 3, go. And this marks the end of your introduction. Let's move on to the verse of this song. There's a total of 4 chords to this song. We have a C chord. We're going to put our thumb C, E, G. And right and left hand, we're going to put our thumb on C. Now, because this song is a rotating C chord, G chord, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, we're going to do it in a nicer way. So we are going to have our minimum movement. We're going to move to the nearest note. So the first chord, we have our C chord, C, E, G. With a thumb, C chord sounds like this. And then for the next chord, we have a G chord, where our G note is being repeated. So we're going to keep the G, and instead of a E and C like from your C chord, we're going to move down to B and a D. And then for your left hand, we're going to keep to the same position. We're going to have our finger 4. So B, D, G. Now this marks our G chord. And let's move on to our A minor. Now A minor, there isn't any familiar or repeated notes from G chord. We're just going to move our whole hand up. Instead of B, D, G, we're going to move this shape up to C, E, and A. It's the exact same shape from your G major move up. Okay, so this is our A minor, C, E, and A. And for our left hand, we're going to activate finger 3. Together, it sounds like this, A minor. And lastly, for our F chord. Now, F chord consists of F, A, C, where our A is being repeated from A minor, our C is being repeated from A minor. The only difference is, instead of an E, we're going to move up to F. So we're going to keep the C, we're going to keep the A, from E, going to move up to F, C, F, A. Now, this is our F chord for right hand and left hand finger 5. Okay, so the 4 chords rotating goes like this. C, then we move to G. Whole hand move up to A minor, middle finger, and move shift up. One more time. C, last note remain. Whole hand move up to A minor. The middle finger move up. Yep, so this is your rotating chord for C, G, A minor, F. So let's start with the verse. Now the playing pattern for verse, we're just going to keep it slow. We're going to just play the both hands, and then we're going to rest, rest, rest. Both, rest, rest, rest. Both, rest, rest, rest. Both, rest, rest, rest. Both, rest, rest, rest. Okay, we'll play a little bit more for the chorus, but for verse, I decided to chill a little bit. Let's start from the verse. We're going to start on C chord. I'm going under, and this G chord. Time I feel there's no one to. A minor, save me. And then you move up to F chord. Back to C chord again. This all or nothing really. G chord. Got away, you're driving me. A minor, crazy. And then F chord. Go back to C chord. I need somebody to. C chord. Heal. Somebody to. G chord. No. Somebody to. A minor. Have. Somebody to hold. F chord. It's easy to. Go back to C chord. Same, but it's never the. G chord. Same. I guess I kinda. A minor. Like the way you numb all the pain. F chord. Alright, let's try the verse smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numb all the pain. Let's move on to our chorus. It's still the rotating chord C, G, A minor, F, but now the playing pattern, we're gonna keep it to both right, right, right. Both right, right, right. Both right, right, right. Both right, right, right. Okay, so let's do it slowly. Chorus. Now the day bleeds, C chord. Into night fall, G chord. And you're not here, A minor. To get me through it all, F chord. I let my guard down, C chord. Then you pull the rug, G chord. I was getting kinda, A minor. Used to being someone you loved, F chord. Now let's play the chorus smoothly. Ready? 1,
now
2,
the day
3, go.
bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled around. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved.
Let's try verse 2 right now. C, G, A minor, F as well. Let's go C chord. I'm going under, and this G chord. Time I feel there's no one to. A minor, turn to. And F chord. Back to C chord. This all or nothing way off, G chord. Loving got me sleeping without, A minor, you. And F chord. Now I need somebody to, C chord. know, somebody to G chord, heal, somebody to A minor, have, just to know how it, F chord, feels. It's easy to C chord, say, but it's never the G chord, same. I guess I kinda, A minor, like the way you help me escape, F chord. Now let's try verse 2 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, hold.
I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to turn to. This all or nothing way of loving got me sleeping without you. Now I need somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to have, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you help me escape.
And then after this, we're supposed to go back to the chorus, but we have already learned the chorus, so be sure to just rewind the video. Now we're going to move on to our bridge. Now the bridge, the pattern will be similar as the chorus. We're going to play 4 times each. Now the bridge, we start with the new chord. We have our D minor. We're going to put our right hand D, F, A. And then for our left hand, we're just going to stretch up to D minor. This is how D minor sounds like. Okay, so from D minor to A minor, to G and G. Okay, so the pattern is a both right, right, right. And D minor, I try to A minor, close my eyes, but it G chord hurts sometimes. I G chord fall into your D minor arms. I feel A minor, safe with your sound till you G chord come back around. G chord. Now we're gonna play the bridge smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
I tend to close my eyes when it hurts. Sometimes I fall into your arms. I'll be saving your sound till I come back around.
Okay, so now we are going to jam the whole song together. We're going to start from introduction to verse, chorus, verse 2, chorus. We're going to go down to bridge and back to chorus again. Okay? So let's start with the introduction. We're going to put our left hand thumb on C, right hand, you're going to crack the egg. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. C chord and go.
I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numb all the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you put around. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
Now we go verse 2 and hold.
I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to turn to. This all or nothing way of loving got me sleeping without you. Now I need somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to have, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you help me escape.
Chorus
now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled around. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
D minor bridge.
I tend to close my eyes when it hurts. Sometimes I fall into
One more time, D
your
minor.
arms. I'll be saving your song till I come back around.
Now we're gonna do chorus but hold the notes.
Into
and
nightfall, and you're not
and hold,
here to get me through
and
it
hold,
all. I let my guard
and hold,
down, and then you pulled
and
around. I was getting
and hold,
kinda used to being someone
and hold.
you love.
Now the pattern go. Bow, right, right, right. Bow, right. A minor,
to get me through it
F.
all. I
One
let my
more round and
guard
go.
down, and then you pulled around. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
We're going to end on C. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you had fun learning this song. Now, if you would like similar songs that has an A, L, C, G, easy for you to play, be sure to check out Faded by Alan Walker, link over here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.